The Tee Time Reservations program allows you to add Tee Time reservations directly in your Jonas System, open tee sheets, as well as navigate through open tee sheets, and use the functions available within the program. Let's take a look at how to navigate through the tee sheet in the Tee Time Reservations program. In order to access a tee sheet, navigate to Tee Time Management, Processing, and Tee Time Reservations, or through Point of Sale, Chit Processing, Start a New Chit, and the Tee Time Reservations button. Note that you must access the Tee Time Reservations module through Point of Sale in order to check players in if you charge for rounds played. The middle area of the screen that you see here is a grid view style, which will list all the tee times on the left side of the screen, the player slots across the top, and blank slots, as well as Tee Time Reservations in the center. The style of the grid will be dependent on the tee sheet template being used. Double-clicking on an empty slot will allow you to add a reservation, and double-clicking on a current reservation will allow you to edit it. The following icons will appear on a Tee Time reservation if applicable to that reservation. Note that icons will only appear on a reservation if they have been flagged to do so, most of which are flagged in Tee Time Management, Files, System Profile, in the tee sheet screen under the Other Display Options section. At the top of the screen, you will find the navigation bar, which has the following options. Quick Booking / Detailed Booking. This button will always display the opposite method of what is set as the default booking method and allows you to make a reservation using the method specified on the button. Move Selection allows you to easily move a reservation by selecting one or more players on the tee sheet, clicking the Move Selection button, and selecting where you'd like to move that reservation to. After selecting the time slot, go ahead and click Paste at the top of the screen. Copy Selection works the same way as the Move option, but will copy the reservation. Both options allow you to move or copy one or multiple reservations to the same or a different day, depending on the applicable booking restrictions. Tee Time Request will display and allow you to record requests for tee times. Resources can be used to search for available resources for carts, caddies, rental clubs, and GPS units, and if they are in use for a specific day or a range of dates. Golf carts, used to display the availability of golf carts and their schedule. Golf course delay. Here you can delay or advance all the tee times on a course for a day and notify all players if desired. Statistics will display statistics for the course and tee sheet. And tee sheet updates, which will display updates made to the tee sheet and can be viewed by all or a specific type of update. Updates can be seen for individual as well as a range of dates. Below the navigation bar, you will find the following options. Recycle icon. Click this icon to switch between the available golf courses that you have access to. You can also switch between the golf courses by clicking on the golf course name, which indicates which golf course is currently being displayed. The information icon will display the course amenities, directions to the course, and the golf course policies. Clicking today's tee sheet will jump the screen to today's tee sheet and current time. You can utilize the left and right arrows to navigate through the tee sheet dates. Alternatively, you can click on the date and select the tee sheet you'd like to view. You can also use the expanded View button to view 4 months' worth of tee sheets. The calendar icon allows you to choose a specific date that you'd like to jump to that tee sheet for. Clicking on the time icon will jump the screen to that current time, whereas the clock icon will allow you to choose the time you'd like to jump to. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will find the following options. Exit will close the program. Open Tee Sheet will provide you with the ability to open one or multiple tee sheets. Conditions allows you to record weather conditions for the course, date, and time. Tee sheet notes, used to create and read both internal and external notes specific to the tee sheet you are viewing, if there are any notes. The Tee Sheet Notes button will be highlighted on the screen for you. Print Tee Sheet will open the Where Would You Like It Printed window, allowing you to view, print, and email the current tee sheet activity. Squeeze Tee Time allows for the addition of another not previously defined time slot to the currently open tee sheet. Refresh Tee Sheet will manually refresh the tee sheet data. Note that the tee sheet does automatically refresh quite often depending on your Tee Time workstation settings. Line Up and Line Down can be used to move the tee sheet one slot at a time, where Page Up and Page Down will move between one page at a time. Lastly, across the bottom of the screen you will find the following options. At a Glance will switch to the At a Glance view of the tee sheet, allowing you to switch between golf courses, tee sheets, and filter what is displayed on the player availability and time of day. Click the Tee Sheet button to close the At a Glance view. If you click the Exit button, it will close you out of the Tee Time Reservation program. Search. Use the search parameters to locate open reservations for any members or guests that have previously been booked. Inquiry allows you to locate players and available time slots for the date and course selected. It can also be used to quickly book reservations for open time slots by clicking on a time or open availability on the right side of the screen. Notifications can be used to send out messages to players about delays, etc. Handicap will access a Member Handicaps module screen if you have the module. Tournaments. Highlight the tee times that will be part of the tournament and click the Tournament button. This will open up the Tournament Setup window if you have the module. Block works similar to Tournament, where we can highlight the times we'd like to block and click that Block button. Here you can configure the settings and specify the type of block to block out those tee times. So for example, due to course maintenance. Group. Highlight the tee time slots that you'd like to be part of a group, then click the Group button. This will allow you to create a group booking under one player. The other player spots can be specified after the booking has been made by editing the reservation. Check-in. Here you can select a player, then click the Check-in button to check them into the course. Note that check-ins can only be completed through point of sale, not through the Tee Time module. Cancel and no-show. Similarly, you'll want to select a player, then click the applicable button to either cancel a reservation or indicate a no-show. Delete. Here you can select a player, then click Delete to remove the reservation from the tee sheet. The Undo/Void button is used to undo or void a check-in or no-show action done to a reservation. Message. Here we can select a player, click the Message button to record and deliver a message to that player. Move/Copy. Select a player, then click the Move/Copy button to move or copy that individual player's reservation to a specified course, date, and tee time. Reservation Note. Select a player, then click Reservation Notes so you can create or read notes for that reservation. If there is a reservation note and or message attached to that booking, icons will display in the reservation for you.